I would like to invite Miss Asha from Everest Industries. So what about how was the event today, ma'am, at NDIM?
See, it is a new experience. I have never been into such an event where there is a collaboration with the University of USA. So it is a new exposure for me, and of course the learning is there. So we are working on a research paper on a subject which is related to the HR.
Okay.
So let's see, hope for the best.
Okay.
What comes out. Yeah.
Okay. So what actions do you think that the management, students and the faculty should take for this current changing situation in the education sector?
Okay. So see, the changes which we look forward in the faculty and also in the students or in the study, so there we think that as there is an innovation is required, we should not always continue with the traditional form of education, because nowadays students always want something new, and they look forward for something innovative in their studies also and in learning.
Right.
So some innovative ideas should come up. Not only they should constrain with the books, the summer interns, practical experiences. So the students should get an exposure of the entire corporates, not a small period of time, like see, summer internship program which you have in a management studies or in management courses. So it is a very limited period of 90 days or probably 60 days, which is not sufficient to get a student familiar with an organization, environment, working environment. So these millennials are really different, and they look forward for a change in everything, in fact. So that is very much required.
Right. So now you have been in the HR profile for very long. So what suggestions you would like to give to the young leaders?
Young leaders, see, if leaders are young, then suggestions, I don't think so they would require any suggestions, because earlier leaders used to be of middle age, like 40 to 45. Now as the trend has changed, they are always thinking in a different way, and young leaders, I think they should be patient enough. They should not strive very fast to achieve a goal, which they may sometimes fall back. But of course, if leaders are young, they are always welcome, and they should have patience if they have not reached to the position in a very early stage.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much. Thank you.